maybe the police car should have been at the end of the straight so you could see it from miles away. And what's happened, everyone's gone flying down, approached the right hand bend, and then at the last minute seen the police car.
It means an overexcited response to something. Ha!
Let me show you now the accident video. That was a hard impact, guys. The Subaru WRX was really a total wreck, but we are so thankful, we are so grateful that Daddy Eric did not sustain any serious injury, and that really matters. We are so happy that the Lord protected him. Thanks.
So on the way home today, I caught these individuals who were driving around in a residential area, obviously going too fast and failing to control their vehicle. So take a look at these guys and let me know what you would have done if you came up on them. Just an FYI, nobody was hurt, and enjoy.
You guys all right? All right.
So what did you think? What are your thoughts after seeing that initial clip there? And as usual, I decided to be nosy. Yep, and so I flipped around and decided to get another clip. So check it out. Okay, so check this out, man. One of the reasons you don't let your kids take your car out.
On the Supreme Court, as justices appear poised to overturn the Roe abortion decision, McConnell says the High Court sometimes is at odds with public opinion, and that's as it. NPR's June.
Quarterbacks, there really was a lot of buzz coming out about different QB situations throughout the league. You know, Malcolm Jenkins announced his retirement. I don't want to give him short shrift. We'll get into that a little further. Coming up, Matt Corral in a half hour to coach Charlie Weiss. Bill Ruckett, stick around.
I don't know if that's how that works. I mean, it sounds like anything's possible.
Hill and all his plays that he's capable of making, but they still have a lot of team that starts with the quarterback. When you have that guy, you can kind of hide a lot of other issues. Now they have to make sure they continue to kind of build.
I felt kind of nauseous, you know, like really nauseous there for a moment, and I said I was thankful I had my gum in my mouth. Well, that's what I told Kevin. I said, I think it was probably just my nerve.
You stupid. Oh.
Email for driving school came.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What?
That guy just hit him.
They hit?
Yeah.